In industrial machinery auctions, visibility is everything. More eyes, more bidders, more competition, more money in the seller's pocket. But there's a problem. Most auctioneers rely entirely on BidSpotter. They outsource 100% of their bidders and do nothing else. One platform, one audience, one chance. That's all you get. Machine Tool Bids doesn't play by those rules. We built something no other auctioneer on the planet has, a proprietary auction platform powered by our own database of active, engaged machinery buyers. And we engineered the world's first and only dual-synced integration with BidSpotter. So you get two platforms, two bidder pools, one auction. When someone bids on Machine Tool Bids, the bid appears instantly on BidSpotter. And when someone bids on BidSpotter, it syncs back to our platform in real time. One auction, two live audiences, no one else can offer that, period. This isn't a small upgrade, it's a massive competitive advantage. Our dual sync system brings in over triple the number of bidders compared to any other auctioneer. More bidders means higher engagement, surging bidding activity, and ultimately higher returns for sellers. This is what happens when technology and market reach work together. Sellers choose MTB because we don't just host auctions, we amplify them. We deliver our own high-traffic platform, our exclusive buyer database, BidSpotter's extended reach, and the only dual-sync bidding experience in existence. Other auctioneers depend on BidSpotter. Machine Tool Bids partners with them and outperforms everyone else. If you're selling machinery, you deserve an auction that does more. More marketing, more technology, more bidders, more results. The only auctioneer with dual-synced auctions. The only one driving real competition. The only one built for the modern machinery market. More bidders, more competition, more money. Machine Tool Bids.